Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here with my, I guess it's September. It is September Piles of Paragraphs tag. And so we're gonna play with that for a minute today and just get this little tag whipped up. So I'm excited to check it out. It's got sequins, so those are kind of just here and there on my table. I'm going to set this aside because I don't want to be influenced by Lori's tag. Lori sent this beautiful card. These are her photograph that she digitally alters, and she does sell, I think, the cards or just the prints or something on her Etsy as well, Piles of Paragraphs. I'll have that in the description box below. So we have got one of her photos. It's irises. We've got gray. We've got teal papers. We've got ribbons, organza ribbon, I think you call it, and then a grosgrain ribbon. There's also this little guy. And then what else do we have? Some more papers. And this is interesting kind of textured paper. Some cheesecloth in the teal color. And look at this ribbon. Isn't that fun with the, it's got little gold shiny dots. Metallic, that's the word I'm looking for. Okay, and here's our tag, and here's Lori's card. We'll put that aside. Scooch these over because I don't know. Of course, I have no plan at all, but it's always a good place to start to make it into a tag shape, isn't it? We'll start with that and go from there. Oh, I did grab a couple of things of my own too that I thought might go. And so we'll see if we decide to use those. Well, ink and think. That's what I'm going to start with, is inking and thinking. Then I might cut out the irises. So I hope you're all having a good Sunday. I'm going to get this tag done, and then I'm going to get it posted right on. So this will be kind of a little extra video for today. Get my pictures taken and get it on my Facebook page and get it on the Instagram. Okay, I think one of the things I grabbed was some distressed hole reinforcers. So I am going to go ahead and do a hole. And this is about as far as I've gotten through the thought process. Okay, I'm going to do that. Okay, that we have done. Now, let's see. Oh, I was going to cut out this. See how we do. Had a couple of you ask me how I like my scissors, and I do like them. I haven't done like a ton of fussy cutting with them or anything, but I do like the little soft grips. Okay, so we've got this, and I'm going to use some papers around it in some way. Not quite sure what yet. I'll do this one. there like that. Maybe. See, I grabbed this because it was the same color. I was thinking of maybe popping that down there. Then I could put this behind my, yep, okay. But do I want, maybe I want that like that. Okay, I'm gonna ink. I also grabbed this little cluster. I was like, maybe that, but I don't think so. I don't think so. I'm gonna grab that. Okay. I just have to ink everything. Sorry guys, it's just how I roll. So it's going to be hot today. We're on the upswing again. It kind of cooled off for a few days, and now we're going to get hot again. I said to my husband, I haven't eco dyed. I haven't coffee dyed. I haven't done anything. I think part of it's because I have a lot of coffee dyed paper, so I'm feeling like, okay. I'm feeling like I don't know that I want to do anymore, you know. Let me just see if this is how I want it. Oh, I need to cut that one a little bit. Push this down a tiny bit. Put that there. Put this down at the bottom. Okay. Okay. Let's get out the glue book. This one down. These are so much fun, you guys. If you haven't gone over to Lori's and grabbed yourself one of her monthly tag kits, it's just fun to kind of challenge yourself to work with, you know, what someone else has picked out. It's just, it really is. It's just kind of a fun thing. But, you know, you can add your own things like I'm doing here. But you have the basis of the color and the photograph to, you know, be inspired by. So it's really kind of fun. Okay, and this guy needs to be cut off a little bit. He needs to be the width of the tag. I have to probably give him another little inking. There we go. Okay. There. Some of these take longer than others, you know, to kind of just figure out what you want to do, but yeah, it's just really fun in general to play with what someone else has provided you. Okay, I think I'll put that right there. And I feel like I've found homes for all the tags I've made in various journals. So that's good too. Okay, I'm going to go kind of right there. Yep. Sure she's straight. Okay. Like that. Put some, I don't think I want those. I'm going a little more on the grungy side here. As usual. Oh, I meant to put the the teal, but maybe what I want to do is put it down here. Yep, that's what I want to do. That's why I forgot. Okay. Just put that right there. Where's my little card to squish that down in the glue? Okay. And I think I'm going to use Fabri-Tac to put this little thing on. I'm going to have just a few pieces left over, I think. Not much. Okay. Yeah, I'm just going to put that there. It's just kind of a fun little bit of texture. Okay, and then in the top, I definitely want to use this sparkly one. Use all of these. Maybe. I think I'm going to just go through and tie them. Maybe. I'm going to go through maybe. Okay, got it. Got that one anyway. Okay, didn't get you. It's okay, we'll get you in a second here. Okay. Go through there, come on. Got it, got it. Oh, you know what I think I'm going to do? Take this out. I think I'm going to put these up like that and then tie this around. That's what I think I'm going to do. Okay, I'm feeling like I need something right there. But what? A butterfly maybe? What do I have that would go? That's kind of cute. Just checking out my colors here to see. I do have the teal, but it's got pink with it, so. Oh, how about this one? It's just newsprint. Yep, that's it. That's it. I just needed a little butterfly. Needed a little flutterby. Put you right there. Okay. Then I've got a few scraps to use in something else. I'll put these in my sequin box. And I have this little topper for a different tag. Yep, I'm going to use that on something different. So there we go, guys. Just like that. We have our September piles of paragraphs tag done. So like I say, I'll put the Etsy link below, and I'll post pictures on my Facebook Cinnamon Toast page and then also on Instagram. So thanks so much, everybody, for helping me make my tag this month. we will just see you in the next video. Have a grateful day. Bye, everyone.